Most people get this wrong when they try to earn gift cards by playing games on their phone. They download random apps, tap around for hours, and make almost nothing. Then they quit and say these apps don't work. Here's the truth no one tells you. You can earn real gift cards by playing mobile games, but only if you use the right app and the right strategy. And one of the most popular apps for this is Mistplay. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Mistplay works, how to set it up, how to earn faster, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and how to redeem your rewards step by step. And yes, people really do get paid. So let's get straight into it. Mistplay is a rewards app that gives you points for playing mobile games. Those points can later be exchanged for gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, Visa prepaid cards, and more depending on your region. The app is mainly available for Android users, and it works by partnering with game developers. These developers want more people to download and play their games, so they pay Mistplay. Mistplay then shares part of that money with you. That means you're not earning money from the game. You're earning rewards for helping promote and engage with sponsored games. And that's why this can actually work. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all gameplay earns equally. And if you don't understand that part, you'll waste a lot of time. So first, let me show you how to get started. Step 1 is downloading Mistplay. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. Install the app. Open it. Then create your account. You can sign up with email or another available option. Once inside, Mistplay may ask a few questions about what type of games you like. For example, puzzle games, strategy games, casino-style games, action games, or simulation games. This helps the app recommend games that match your interests. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to choose games that pay the most. Because this is where most people fail. After setting up your account, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you'll see available games. Each game usually has information like how fast it pays, your progress, and bonus opportunities. Some games have a higher earning rate than others. Mistplay often shows earning speed through icons or labels. Always pay attention to this. For example, Alex downloads a puzzle game with a high earning rate. He earns points faster. Jake downloads a game just because it looks fun, but the payout is slow. He spends more time for fewer rewards. That one choice can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about how you actually earn points. Mistplay has a point system called units. Units are the main reward currency. You earn units by playing sponsored games through the Mistplay app. The longer and more actively you play, the more progress you make. You may also earn bonus units for milestones. For example, reaching a certain level, playing for a certain amount of time, or maintaining a streak. There's also GXP, which stands for Game Experience Points. This helps you level up within each game. And then there's your player level, which tracks your overall activity. As your player level increases, you may unlock extra rewards or bonuses. So think of it like 3 layers. Play games. Earn GXP. Earn units. Increase player level. And this creates more earning opportunities. But here's the problem. A lot of users think leaving a game open in the background earns rewards. Usually it doesn't. Mistplay tracks engagement. That means active gameplay matters more than just idle screen time. So actually interact with the game. Complete missions. Reach new levels. Tap and progress. That usually helps more. Now let's talk about the fastest way to earn. This is where most people fail. They stick with one game too long. Most games pay the highest rewards early. That means the first few levels or early milestones are often the most valuable. After that, rewards may slow down. So here's the smart strategy. Download a high-paying game. Play until rewards start slowing. Then switch to another high-paying game. For example, John downloads 3 games in 1 week. He completes beginner milestones in each. He earns rewards quickly. Alex spends the whole week grinding one game with lower payout. He earns less. Working smarter matters. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay sometimes runs promotions. These promotions can include bonus units, streak rewards, or temporary earning boosts. If you play during these events, your rewards can increase faster. Always check the app for current offers. Even a simple streak bonus can add up over time. Now let's cover mistakes you need to avoid. Mistake number 1. Downloading games outside Mistplay. If you install the game directly from the Play Store without using Mistplay's tracking link, it may not count. Always install through the app. Mistake number 2. Not allowing permissions. Mistplay needs certain tracking permissions to verify gameplay. Without them, your sessions may not register. Mistake number 3. Using VPNs or fake accounts. This can trigger fraud detection and get your account banned. Mistake number 4. Ignoring high-paying games. Your time is valuable. Prioritize games with better rates. Mistake number 5. Playing after rewards slow dramatically. Know when to switch. Now let's talk about how much you can realistically earn. This is the question everyone wants answered. And here's the truth. Mistplay won't make you rich. This is not a full-time income app. It's more like earning gift cards while doing something fun. Casual users might earn $5 in a week or two. Active users may earn $10 to $20 faster. Very active users using promotions and high-paying games may do better. For example, Jake plays 20 minutes a day. He earns a $5 Amazon gift card after about 10 days. John plays 1 to 2 hours daily and uses bonus events. He may earn $10 in less time. Your location also matters. Some countries have better offers than others. The US and Canada often have more rewards available. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to redeem your first gift card. But first, there's something important. A lot of people quit too early. Why? Because earnings are usually slow at first. Your first reward may take time. But once you understand which games pay best and how promotions work, the process gets easier. Now, let's redeem your rewards. Once you earn enough units, go to the rewards or shop section in Mistplay. There you'll see available gift cards. Common options include Amazon, Google Play, Visa prepaid cards, and sometimes other brands. Choose the reward you want. Select the amount. For example, $5 or $10. Confirm the redemption. Then wait for processing. Some rewards arrive quickly. Others can take 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes longer. So don't panic if it's not instant. Check your email for the gift card code or redemption confirmation. That's it. You've now turned gameplay into rewards. Now here's where it gets interesting. Should you cash out early or save points? I recommend redeeming regularly. Small redemptions reduce risk. Apps can change reward options. And it feels motivating to actually receive rewards. For example, Alex waits until he earns $50. Meanwhile, rewards change. Jake cashes out every $5 or $10 and gets consistent wins. Small wins help motivation. Now, let's talk about whether Mistplay is legit. Yes, Mistplay is legitimate. It has millions of downloads and many real payment proofs online. People really do receive rewards. But here's the problem. Social media often exaggerates earnings. You may see claims like, "I made $100 in one day." That's usually unrealistic. Realistic results are smaller and slower. This is where most people get disappointed. Expect gift card money, not rent money. Now let's compare Mistplay to other apps. Compared to survey apps, Mistplay can be more fun. Compared to cashback apps, it's slower because it takes time. Compared to freelancing, the pay is much lower. So who should use it? People who already play games. Students wanting free gift cards. Anyone looking for small extra rewards. Who shouldn't use it? People wanting serious income. People who hate repetitive tasks. People expecting fast cash. That's the honest answer. Now let me give you a simple earning plan. Day 1. Install Mistplay. Choose one high-paying game. Play 30 minutes. Day 2. Continue or switch if rewards slow. Maintain streak. Day 3. Check for promotions. Play high-rate games only. Day 4 to 7. Repeat. By the end of the week, you may have enough for your first small gift card. And once you understand the system, you can improve from there. This is where most people win. Consistency. Not random play. Now here's the easiest way to maximize earnings. Play games with high multipliers. Use bonus events. Maintain streaks. Switch games when rewards slow. Redeem rewards regularly. Avoid account issues. Simple strategy. Tandait. Parisiwanmen. Medionin. Kanmada twistada. Better results. And here's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Thinking this is a make money fast app. It's not. It's a get rewarded while gaming app. That mindset changes everything. If you already enjoy mobile games, Mistplay can be a fun bonus. If you're forcing yourself to grind for pennies, it may not feel worth it. Now you know exactly how to earn gift cards by playing games on your phone using Mistplay. Download the app. Set up your account. Choose high-paying games. Play smart. Earn units. Redeem rewards. And repeat. It's simple once you understand the system. And now you're ahead of most people because you know how to avoid the common mistakes. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. Comment below and tell me how much you've earned on Mistplay or if you're trying it for the first time. And if you want more videos on making money online, earning gift cards, and honest app tutorials, subscribe now so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.